Hello guys, welcome to A&B Tech Bytes. Whether you are a coding newbie or a seasoned developer, here at A&B Tech Bytes we deliver bite-sized tutorials, quick tips and latest in tech. Hit the subscribe button and join the A&B Tech Bytes community. Well, let's not waste our time, let's get into our video. Here, first we have to open our Chrome browser and go about and search for Visual Studio. And click the first link. If your device is Mac or Linux or Windows, whatever it is, in my case, my device is Windows, just click the Windows button here. And it automatically downloaded. In my case, I already downloaded, so wait for few minutes. After completion, just press here, show in folder or show in folder. You see here it is already downloaded. Just right click here, turn on administrator, press S button. So I accept the agreement. Press next. If you want to create a desktop icon, just please press here. Press next. Install. It will take some time, guys. Please wait for it. Just press the finish button. It automatically launches, guys. Yeah. If you want to create new folder, we can create a new folder here. Already we have a folder number or window, just open folder here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel. We will create more videos like this. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.